Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make this delicious, fluffy bread rolls inspired by the Cheesecake Factory's brown bread. This bread is soft, slightly sweet, and full of rich molasses flavor. In a small bowl, mix warm water with 2 tablespoons of honey. Then add 2 1/4 teaspoons yeast. Stir and let sit for 3 to 5 minutes until frothy. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups bread flour, 1 3/4 cups whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoon cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon espresso powder. Give it a good mix. Add 1/4 cup oil, 2 tablespoons molasses, and the yeast mixture. Stir everything together. Using the stand mixture with dough hook, knead on medium-low speed for 8 to 10 minutes. Lightly grease the bowl and put the dough back in, and make sure to spread the oil evenly over the dough bowl. Cover with plastic wrap. Let rise in warm spot for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Punch it down to release the air. Divide the dough into equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth ball. Sprinkle some cornmeal into the baking pan. Then, place each roll on the prepared baking pan. And sprinkle each rolls with some oats. Cover loosely with plastic wrap and let them rise for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve with butter or as a side with your favorite dish, and enjoy!